Today we are going to see how to declutter your desktop with the help of Claude. So for that you need to go to claude.ai/downloads. Here you will be able to see the option of Cowork. You have to download the Cowork based on your operating system. For me it's a Mac OS, so download for Mac OS option is there. Once you download it, it will show you like this one. As you can see in my desktop, lot of screenshots are there. So one of the function of Cowork is organize my screenshots. Right? That is the task. So I will just click on that. First scan my desktop, and it's a by default task that it has. I will select the model as Opus 4.6, or we can go with the Sonnet as well. So I will choose Sonnet 4.6. Let's go. So it is asking me for the folder permission. So I will choose the folder. I will choose it as desktop. Basically, you are giving the permission to the Claude to scan your folders based on your preferences. Once it scans it, then it will organize the screenshot based on the tasks. So behind the scene, it is running the commands. It is listing the desktop directory contents and the image files. It has found some of the images. So it has given me the desktop scan summary, current file name, suggested one, and accordingly, it has given me all these things. So it asks you for, does this plan look good? If so, I will start with the first 10 files as a preview. You can also adjust any folder names before I proceed. So I will say proceed. And it will try to create the folders and copy those screenshots. As you can see, there are 3 folders that got created: personal, travel, and work. And the 10 screenshots, it has copied it into respective folders. All 10 done. 6 files still sitting on the desktop. It says all 6 would go to the personal documents. Want me to go ahead and move them to finish the job? Yes, please. So as you can see, it has copied all those screenshots into my personal directory. If you open this, you can see in the personal, all these documents has gone. For travel, some flight tickets that has gone to the travel, and related to the work, it has gone to the work folder. It's very simple, right? So same way you can organize your downloads folder. You can organize any folder that you give. Thanks for watching.